Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be doing bakes. It's going to be a really good thing. I'm going to make this a quick video. I'm going to get this done in 3 minutes. Let's go. All right, guys, 2 cups of flour goes in. 1, 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. You can use any salt that you want. So you're going to go ahead and you're just going to kind of mix all your dry ingredients up together. You can grab yourself a fork and some water, and you're just going to kind of pour that water in there little by little, and you're just going to kind of knead until you get a dough. When it looks like about this kind of consistency a little bit, it's a little kind of loose, you're going to go ahead and we're going to get our hands a little dirty. Alright, guys, and you'll get your kind of consistency is kind of like this. It's real doughy like, it's easy to form, and it's still a little wet because you want it to still be a little wet, because once you put this to knead out, you're going to be putting flour on here and it's going to kind of dry it out a little bit. So you want to always just have it just a little bit of texture to it. Let's go and get the countertop powdered. Alright, guys, we're just going to go ahead and get our rolling pin. Kind of flour that up, get your surface nice and floured, and let's just get to kneading. I like to separate it half and knead it out. Alright, now that we kneaded it out, we're going to go ahead and grab a cup or anything circular, whatever you got, and we're just going to kind of make little circles like this and just put that to the side. Alright, guys, now we're back over to the stove. Stove is going to be on a medium heat that you want your oil in. Oil is about 1/4 of the way in the pan. You don't want too much oil, but just enough to go ahead and fry these guys. You take your guys like these and you just drop them on in. And these are actually going to puff up a little bit. Don't worry about them puffing up. Let them do their thing. When they cool off, they'll come right back down to where they need to be. Alright, guys, we got everything fried up. Everything looks amazing. They're super light and fluffy. Like I told you before, they'll puff up, but they'll puff right back down. That kind of gives it that airy, it's crunchy, but it's soft and it's chewy. It gives you all of those great textures in there. And I usually put a little bit of jelly on side of there. You can put whatever you want, honey. You can put bacon, egg, and cheeses on this and make it into an actual sandwich. Do what you like, but this is for the person who's on a budget, who's looking to make something that's tasty, delicious, and just ready to go. Until next time, guys, stay hungry, stay blessed, and stay at home. We're quarantined.